What's up, guys? We are in the middle of a pond. This lake is just surrounded by lily pads out here. It's the 1st of July and it has been scorching hot the past 3 weeks. All these lily pads over here are just burnt to a crisp. But what we're gonna be throwing today is a swim jig to start out with, to see if they're still active on moving baits, or if they've just kind of switched over to summer and want the craw. So try out a moving bait to start with. Oh my god, that was instant. That was on top water. What the heck, guys? Huh. Well, maybe we'll throw a frog, but it's a little bit sketchy. We're in the middle of a thunderstorm right now. It's right over there. Clouds are super menacing, and hopefully we don't get caught in the middle of this. So, oh, you got to me. Not bad. The rain's not bad yet. I'm just hoping this storm come through kind of quick, because I don't really want to get caught in this too bad. All right, got the frog tied on. Little Eat Me Guggen frog. I don't really know how to feel about those Guggen products, but give it a test. It's got significantly darker out. The clouds are kind of upon me now. Oh my god, dude, holy shit. That thing was big. Oh my god. Big pour down, oh yeah. That rain is coming down. And we are out here fishing. Woo! Yes sir, boys. Pick this frog back up, see if they're in the cove. Earlier I questioned myself if I needed a raincoat. I think I'd say I do. Jesus, that lightning is not nice. Yeah, buddy! Oh yeah, I'm feeling this little back cove back here. I'm feeling it's got something. I don't know about you guys, but I'm feeling a big old bass. Oh, come on. Eat it. Come on, baby. Eat it. I'm trying to make a lot of commotion under the... Oh my god, guys! Right fucking there. Right fucking there. Oh. Come on, baby. Eat it. Come back for it. Got his ass. Got his ass, boys. No, he came off. Shit. Try that again. Right under that tree. Oh yeah. Eat him. Eat him. Eat me. Please, bro. They're lying to me, bro. They won't eat me. What the fuck? Bro, you taste like dog shit. All they do is scoop you under. God. Eat him, bro. Eat him, bruh. I watched you eat him. That was a dog shit ass eat. Didn't even blow up on him. Got his ass, bro. Finally. No, bro. Oh my god. Stay on the hook. You know what? I'll catch another one of you. I'll catch another one of you Slange rockets. Okay? I'll just do it. Just for the fun of it. Another Slange rocket is coming on. Bro, they're lying to me. They don't eat you. Eat me, bro. Oh my god. Eat up, little fishies. Eat up. I'm gonna abduct one of you. Ooh, nice little crackle from you, Zeus. Dude, I just got munched on by that munch. You guys just see that? I got munched on. It munched me. It munched it down. And it didn't fully eat it. Like, eat it fully, bro. If you're gonna commit something. God his ass, boys. Come on now. Come on now. Whoop! No! How did he come on? Oh my god. Dude. Dude, it's these garbage left-hand hook sets. God. All right, I'm feeling it. I'm feeling one. Come on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. No. Oh god. Saw that guy surface on it. That was sick eat, man. Dude, he choked that thing. Oh, just a little guy. See, man. Sploosh! Wow, this is fantastic. I'm tangled in a tree. Oh, out. We're out. We're out. We're good. Don't even worry about it. Okay, here we go. Back to fishing. All right, we are moving this bait strategically along the middle of this patch of lily pads, seeing if a largemouth bass will pick it up. It did not. Can't even see. Probably got a bite. We're just gonna, you're gonna hear it. We're gonna set the hook. We didn't get one. Oh, come on. There we go. That fish has had his hook set into him quite hard, I would say. There is no way this guy comes off. Dude. Oh my God. Oh. Look at this guy. Huh. Thanks, buddy. Oh, splooshed. Dude, he finally ate me after 16,000 eats. Like, thanks, bro. Rotator fingers. These fingers are getting a little frigid. Oh my gosh, there's a rainbow. That's not good luck. Oh my God, that was a sick bite, guys. Oh my gosh, I don't think this is a big guy. That was cool. That was so sick. Oh my gosh, guys. That was crazy. Oh, what a beautiful fish. Oh, let's go. Oh my God. Oh my God. Bro, where's the other half of your face at? That is a dink. Dude, that is so sick. Let's go. Sploosh. Oh, they're hungry now. Boy, they're hungry. Dude, I was not even looking, munched. Bro. Mom again, bro. What's up?
Hey.
If you want.
What do you want to do?
I'll do whatever, I don't care.
Alright. Hey,
Oh my! Fuck, I just got one. No, he came off. Dude, I was using my left hand. That was actually big. That was like a 3-pounder.
Yeah.
Shit.
No, I haven't done anything in like days because I've had to work.
At the golf course or where?